The iPhone is a series of smartphones designed and marketed by Apple Inc. The first iPhone was released on June 29, 2007, and it quickly became a revolutionary product in the mobile phone industry. Here is a detailed history of the iPhone development. The development of the iPhone began in 2004, when Apple engineers started to explore the possibility of a touchscreen-based mobile phone. The project was known as Project Purple and was led by Jonathan Ive, Apple's chief design officer. Introduction. The first iPhone was introduced by Steve Jobs, the co-founder and CEO of Apple Inc., at the Macworld Conference Expo in San Francisco on January 9, 2007. It was available for sale in the United States on June 29, 2007. Features. The original iPhone had a 3.5-inch touchscreen display, a 2-megapixel camera, 4GB, 8GB, or 16GB of storage, and ran on Apple's iOS operating system. It was also the first phone to have a multi-touch interface, which allowed users to interact with the screen using multiple fingers. Updates. Over the years, Apple has released many updates to the iPhone, introducing new features such as FaceTime, Siri, Touch ID, and Apple Pay. The company has also made significant improvements to the camera, battery life, and overall performance of the device. Models. Apple has released many different models of the iPhone, including the iPhone 3G, iPhone 3GS, iPhone 4, iPhone 4s, iPhone 5, iPhone 5C, iPhone 5s, iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone SE, iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone X, iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone SE second generation, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Sales. The iPhone has been a huge commercial success, with over 2 billion units sold worldwide as of 2021. It has become one of Apple's most profitable products, generating billions of dollars in revenue each year. Impact. The iPhone has had a significant impact on the mobile phone industry, as well as on society as a whole. It has changed the way we communicate, work, and live our daily lives, and has helped to create a new era of mobile computing. In conclusion, the iPhone is a revolutionary product that has changed the mobile phone industry and the way we interact with technology. It has been a commercial success for Apple, and it continues to be one of the most popular smartphones in the world.